Hi IBPS aspirants, huge update for IBPS PO 2025. The descriptive section has changed. Earlier it was essay and letter, but now it's essay and reading comprehension. Letter is replaced with RC. Let's break it down and see how to score full marks. You have 30 minutes and 25 marks for this section. Two parts. One is essay. It should be 250 to 300 words. Next one is RC. Remember, this is descriptive, not multiple choice. You must read passage and write answers your own words. Your essay topics can be ethics and governance, which means focusing on honesty and fairness in banks and society. Next is current events. For example, Asia Cup 2025, Kolkata floods or Tamil Nadu stampede. Another great area is merging trend in banking and technology, including digital banking, UPI, AI and fintech innovations. And finally, social and economic issues like unemployment, inflation, education and health challenges. These are all topics IBPS can ask. So staying updated and practicing them is key. Remember, IBPS PO 2025 uses an automated system to check your essay and RC, not manual evaluation. So keep this in your mind. The system looks at clarity, grammar, spelling, context, coherence and validity. So write clearly, stick to word limit and keep your answers relevant and structured. Focus on content and language quality and you will maximize your score. That's your updates today. Get all news fast and accurate. Don't forget to subscribe acemind for daily updates.